My name is Anne Fornier. I'm French. My fight is talking about volcanic risk system and trying to help the people, the community, to improve the quality of life in the volcanic area. And my fight for 20 years is talking about global risk system of volcanoes. I create Volcano Active Foundation, the first foundation in the world. We are working about the risk with the science, with the geopark, and with a specially program Volcano School to help the knowledge about the volcanic risk for the kids. So we have a problem because I think the volcanoes risk is not, nobody knows all the risk about volcanoes, because 200 years before there was a very big explosion with the global impact of the earth. We talk about climate, we talk about the quality of life for the community, and I think this is the first risk in the world who nobody knows this or don't care about this. We would like to try to make another program, Volcanoes Expedition, to monitoring the very dangerous volcanoes in the world in order to know what's happened if the volcanoes erupt, you know. Because some volcanoes are very unknowledge without data, and we need to know how the volcanoes move, how the volcanoes could erupt. Some of volcanoes could sleep 100 years or 200 years or more, and we are all the people thinking that the volcanoes is died, but it's not died, just asleep. That's why we have a lot of problems, because for example in Indonesia, some volcanoes wake up after 400 years. The Sinabung volcanoes 8 years before wake up after 400 years asleep. So the population don't know that the volcanoes could be ripped. That's why this is a problem. And that's why the foundation, this is the lead, the fight of the foundation is to talk about volcanoes. All the world about volcanoes, the risk, the knowledge, the ground, the philosophy of volcanoes. The philosophy of volcanoes is very important, because the people know that when the volcanoes erupt, they can lose everything, the house, the car, everything. Just the only one thing you can't lose to the value that the people have, you know. So the being of the people, the value is the most important thing in the volcanic area. And the people live really in the present time, because you don't know tomorrow what could happen. This philosophy, I think now it's very important because we lose everything. Now we live in a mondial system with everything go very fast. we thinking that we can lead, control everything but the volcanoes. No, we can't control the volcanoes. We just can mitigate the risk. Because if the volcanoes would like to erupt, it's done. We can't stop it. And that's why the foundation, the lead is mitigate and the knowledge about volcanoes. JET8 technology is could be a very good tools for us to alert all the world about global risk system. And it's very important to go in this way. The engagement of the net tools, because sometimes we talk about just a net tool system, but just for capitalist system, but we need to go in a social system, you know. And the Volcano Active Foundation, the idea is really to connect all the volcanic area in the same way, to know, to cooperate, to have a social impact.